And number 1 seed, Laguna team.
Laguna.
Okay, let's introduce the players. From Bulacan, number 7, Rocky. Please come on. We are number 4, Boom. C.
Boom. Please go to the center.
Center court. Number 3, Prince.
Yeah, here.
Number 2, Ricky.
Ricky, see.
Jersey number 5, we have Billy.
Billy, the kid.
And wearing number 6, Isel.
Out of town, out.
Out of town.
Okay, let's meet the Laguna players. Number 9, Brian.
Brian.
Number 11, Edwin. Wearing number 5, Dante. Number 3, Lexon.
Excellent. Hey, take off the shirt, please.
T-shirt, so may picture kayo.
Referee.
Number
Bobby.
13, RJ.
RJ.
Wearing number 1, yeah. Number 7, Randolph.
Randolph, keep it up for Randolph.
Let's meet the JLK team. Alright, congratulations, players. And let's have a say.
Too much water bottle?
Okay, may the best team win. Congratulations.
Go, Makati.
Message ako sa'yo. Tribo.
Ako daw po sa mic.
Alam mo kasi kung ano yung binibenta ko eh. Text ko sa'yo.
What a great play there. Base rise for Mayor Ryan Suarez. Mayor Suarez from Balibago, Pampanga.
Isa doon, may similar.
Makikita ko siya.
Leche, sabi ko, magtago. 10 minutes.
Nakita ko nga pala, uwi ako.
March para